Welcome to Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by TECO People's Gas. I'm Chef Mike Smith, and with me today, I have head beach volleyball coach Brooke Niles. Brooke, how you doing?
I'm doing really well, Mike, and I'm excited to learn how to cook something.
Well, great. So, Brooke, today we're going to cook a really easy recipe. We're going to do Mojo chicken sandwiches with citrus slaw, and we're going to cook them over here on our natural gas stove. And if you're ready, we can get started.
So, Chef, why do you like using natural gas?
I like to use natural gas because it cooks the food really consistently and really evenly. You get great control over the heat. You can go real high, real low, anything in between, and it's always right there at your fingertips. So that's why I like natural gas the most. We've got our chicken breasts here, and I marinated these in a marinade that I made that's real simple, and there'll be a recipe to follow and stuff, but it's Mojo. It's onions, garlic, some orange and lime juice, some olive oil, real simple. And I'm just gonna place these in the pan.
It looks delicious with the onions and the garlic all on top of the chicken.
Well, thank you. It smells good too. And we're going to cook this chicken obviously all the way through. As thin as these are, probably about 3 or 4 minutes per side. So you're excited about the new season coming up?
I'm really excited. We have a great group of incoming freshmen. We've had great groups every year, but we have a lot of youth and mixed with some good experience and some really great athletes. So I think we're going to be really exciting to watch.
I'll cut the heat way down on the chicken though, because the chicken is pretty much finished. And the only other thing we'll do is in this pan, I've just got it on real low. And because we're using natural gas, it allows you to keep it really low. And we're just gonna toast our buns over here. I'm gonna take the chicken out, let it rest a little bit. Okay, so Coach, we're getting ready to build the sandwich. So just talking about kind of what we have here. This is a citrus slaw. It's white cabbage, some carrots, some purple cabbage, a little bit of red peppers, and the citrus dressing, which I can put the recipe in for afterwards, but it's very simple. And a little crumble feta cheese and our toasted buns. If you would,
I love it.
I'm gonna have you build one, see how you do.
And the slaw looks healthy. I mean, it doesn't look very
very
mayonnaise-y.
healthy. Yeah, the dressing that's on it is, it's gluten-free and everything, and very healthy.
Love that. Did I do it in the right order?
You did it. Yes, you did. That's a gourmet. All right, let's give it a try, and that looks great. Let's give it a try, see what you think. Sure, it's hot.
Mike, that's really good.
Is it good? You did a good job.
It's really good.
All right, Mojo grilled chicken sandwich with citrus slaw. Coach Brooke Niles, great job.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Thank you.
Delicious.
Thanks for being
Glad
here.
I learned something new.
And good luck.
Thank you.
For more information about this and other recipes, as well as People's Gas energy conservation rebates, visit peoplesgas.com/cooking.